Why ignoring your hearing loss can lead to memory loss. Welcome to the Series Psych channel. It's where we dive deep into the latest news, studies, and breakthroughs. According to Psychology Today, recent studies suggest that correcting hearing loss could be a promising approach to lowering the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Hearing loss can profoundly affect a person's quality of life, including their physical, cognitive, and mental health. With approximately 48 million Americans and more than 1.5 billion people globally experiencing some form of hearing loss, this could be a key to preventing strategy in the global fight against the dementia epidemic. A systematic review published in The Lancet in May 2023 of 25 observational studies and 6 trials found that treating hearing loss with hearing aids or cochlear implants can reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia in people with hearing loss. The review revealed that people who used hearing aids had a 19% lower risk of cognitive decline and a 17% lower risk of dementia than those without treatment. Accordingly, short-term trials showed slight cognitive improvement in those who receive hearing aids. Untreated hearing loss can increase the risk of developing dementia. New data analysis from the UK Biobank also demonstrated that self-reported hearing loss was associated with an increased risk of dementia. However, the risk was not seen in those who used hearing aids, indicating that untreated hearing loss could increase the risk of developing dementia. Hearing loss is often under-recognized and under-treated. Many people with hearing loss believe it's just part of aging and might be unaware of its impact on their overall health. Additionally, access to hearing aids can be challenging due to the cost of securing regular appointments with an audiologist, making it difficult for some people to receive the treatment they need. Hearing loss has also been associated with a greater risk of developing mental health disorders, such as anxiety and depression. One study showed that the older adults with deafness were 47% more likely to experience depression symptoms. For those who already have mental health issues, hearing loss can worsen the problem. Processing the sound we hear helps the brain stay active. Addressing hearing loss can be cost-effective and cost-saving to prevent dementia and improve patient outcomes. Treating hearing loss may also support brain resilience rather than reducing specific forms of neuropathology. The task of processing the sound we hear helps our brain stay active. When you lose some or all of your hearing, the part of your brain that performs this task can atrophy, causing cognitive decline. In a 2013 study, Johns Hopkins researchers found that the decline in thinking skills happened faster during 6 years among people with hearing loss than among those without it. The researchers estimated that it would take a hearing-impaired older adult under 8 years, on average, to develop cognitive impairment compared with 11 years of those with normal hearing. Treating hearing loss could be a factor in preventing dementia, cognitive decline, and other mental health conditions. Improving hearing health and making hearing aids more accessible to patients will help. The Food and Drug Administration's recent approval of over-the-counter hearing aids in the U.S. is one positive step forward towards accessibility in the United States, removing the barriers and costs associated with ongoing audiologist appointments. OTC hearing aids are self-adjustable, typically through online programs. Prior to the FDA approval, 5 multinational companies controlled more than 90% of the global marketplace for hearing aids. The shift to a regulated but direct-to-customer and retail market will also drive more affordability and innovation. Thanks for watching, and remember to like this content and want more. Like, share, and subscribe.